Well, it says we have a baby together and I have a police report. Those are all really strong pieces of evidence for a VAWA case. I don't know if I can't tell you for sure, Mohit, is your VAWA going to be approved if you have a baby together and you have a police report, right? Because there are several requirements for VAWA, and we want to make sure that the application was prepared in a strong manner, that the declaration highlights all the various types of abuses. So it depends on the evidence that was submitted. So it's hard to say, but the stuff that you've told me, the baby obviously says that it's a real marriage, not just for immigration purposes. And a police report is helpful depending on what it says, right? And you want to make sure everything in that police report is consistent with your application, with all of the facts included in your application. If the police report says they don't live together, but you have a date that says you live together for X amount of time, that's an inconsistency that would need to be explained in your declaration. So this is a lot of things that get missed sometimes. The government is looking to see if there are inconsistencies in your application, if something doesn't make sense, is there potential fraud, right? That is what they're trying to spot and figure out. Are you being honest, or is there any evidence of fraud on the surface in this VAWA application? So you want to make sure that sometimes it's completely unintentional. You got the dates wrong, or maybe the police took something wrong, right? But you want to be able to spot that and explain that. That is part of what makes a very strong application, and that's part of the point of using an attorney in something like a VAWA case, in any kind of immigration case, right? So if you use an attorney, you have a team that is looking for this. You have several people that are reviewing your application. You have people that know what the common mistakes are. So they can spot these for you. They can bring it up to you. We can explain it and we can figure out next steps if there's an issue with any of the documentation that you have. So sometimes it's really great to have documentation, but sometimes it can result in additional inconsistencies. And of course, you need to explain that if it's there in your application. So I hope that's helpful to you, Mohit. If you need help with your VAWA case, or anyone else watching here would like to file a VAWA, see if you're eligible, give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.